Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be doing one-handed walkthrough solves. So this is the first scramble. I'm going to put the scrambles in the description, so if you want you can scramble your cube and follow along. So for this one, looking quickly, the cross that seems like the best would be the white cross. Now unfortunately I can't really see... Okay, no. So what I see first is I've got this edge piece here. I've got this edge piece and this edge piece. I also have this pair. The edge is already oriented, which means I'll be able to do this pair quite quickly. So I'm gonna put the cube like this. So because this piece is here, I'm gonna have to get it out of the way from the edge piece when I bring that in. So I'm gonna do these two moves at the same time. Then I'm gonna put this edge in here. Do this one, oops, like this. And then move the cube around kind of like this. And then at D2, now, oops, okay, so it didn't exactly go where I planned. No, it did, never mind, sorry. So, like this, simple F12 pair. Now, next I see both this and this. Now, I could insert it like this, but see, this is okay. These two are like this. So what I could do that's even better, if I go like this, then the next two are already set up for a pair. Just like that. And then for my last pair, do like this. Now I'm going to orient the edges at the same time as I put in the last pair. And now I have a very simple ZBLL. And it's solved. Alright, so on this scramble, the first thing that I see is this block here on the yellow. Unfortunately though, this edge, the edge that goes with the block, already seems to be in place but flipped, which means that it's going to be pretty awkward to try and make an X cross out of that. But that doesn't mean we have to give up, because this is also on the red, not just on the yellow. Also on the blue, but the blue doesn't look all that good. See, this one is also flipped in. So what we can do for the red, so we've got an edge piece here, 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 and here. So we can put this edge in here. Now if we take this one, bring it over here to put it in like this, this block is still preserved. Put this edge piece in and have this block completed. So we've got an X cross here. First thing I see in F12 is this right here. So I can do it like that. Notice it orients this edge at the same time. Now the corner. So there's a couple ways I could do this. I could do a U2 like this and bring it up, but as you can see, it creates a bit of an unfavorable pair. There's a way to do this without doing a U2 beforehand, and you can just do it like this. Like that. And then at the same time, it gives you a slightly better pair. You can do it like this. Now anti-seam. And V-brim. Alright, so what I see on this cross is the red, once again. So here we have this one here, and these two edge pieces here, and the last one here. And you can notice this corner won't be moved when I do those moves for the cross. And the corresponding edge is here, and when I put the first cross piece in like this, it'll be like here, which is a pretty good F12 pair. So I can go like this. I am going to have to rotate like this, and notice at the same time it seems to be creating something else. So put this in, and whoop, this one's created. So go like this, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this pair out, because at the same time it's going to orient this edge. Insert it like this. I've got this F12 pair here in the back. Now I've got the ZBLL, and the way that I do this ZBLL is essentially I do a soon like this on the left, and then it's 8 mover here. So for this scramble, the first thing that I would probably look at is the orange. Now the orange seems pretty decent, except I can't really see a first pair or anything. But if I look really quickly, I can see the first pair for white. So I would probably decide to try and do the white cross instead of orange. So here you can see this one, which will be out of the way once I insert this F12 piece. Sorry, this cross edge. So I'm going to insert the cross edge like this, and here, and notice this is still right where it was. And I can see this edge here, this corner here, with its corresponding edge there, which will be in a good position after this pair for me to take it out. Like that. Now I've got these two here. Now I've got this pair seem to make itself, which is pretty good. So I'm just going to insert that. Now for this case, it's a very easy ZBLL. So just like this. Okay, so in this final solution, the thing that first jumps out at me is the red cross. So we have one piece, these two pieces here, we have one edge here, and we have one edge here. We also have a pair here, which is pretty nice. Now, unfortunately, it looks like if I try to make this cross in a regular way, this pair will not be preserved. Now there's a pretty easy way around this that I would do. So put this cross piece in first, and this one. Now instead of just doing what you'd normally do with an L2, you can very simply do like that, L prime, U2, L prime. And that way the pair is not exactly preserved, but it's very easy to insert, and in fact it's already in the right spot. So fix the cross there, put this pair in. Now notice this one and this one. Like that. Now I've got this piece, but I've got these two, which is better, so I'm going to do that right now. Unfortunately, it didn't really help our situation with this, so I'm just going to have to resign myself to solving it like that. Now, OLL, just going to do an OLL CP like that, and I'm left with the Z-perm. Alright, so that was the last solve of the 5 example solves. I hope that you enjoyed it, maybe learned a few things. And as I said, the scrambles are in the description. You can figure out the solutions from there. And I hope that you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time in another video.